One penguin at a time. Uh-oh. Gotta be careful. Good job. Uh-oh. Now mommy's turn. Ay! Careful. Don't rock the boat. What? Ah!
Good ball.
You have to be careful. Whoa. Okay.
Okay.
You gotta put on the other side so you can balance it.
Whoa, the boat's gonna fall.
Let's try again. Wait, that's heavy. Now. Do it again. Now. Mommy's turn first. Okay. Whoa! You gotta balance it. Okay, put the other penguin over there.
Yeah.
Right here. No, here. Let's see. What?
The octopus is good.
It's gonna fall. You gotta put the other animal on the other side. Whoa! You like this one?
Whoa!
It's the game. Don't rock the boat.
Whoa!
You have to balance it.
Yeah.
You gotta put another one over here. Uh-oh. Where's the crab? Oh. Put the crab over there. Alright, are you ready?
I know the other animals win.
No. It's for the pirate penguin. Are you ready? Look it. Let's see if it's gonna balance. It's not.
Oh, that's a baby penguin. That's pepperoni.
Is that pepperoni?
This is a small penguin. That's a big penguin. What's a big penguin? Right there. Oh, let's see. Octopus. A crab. There's nothing here. A crab.
You want to put on the other side?
Yes. Let's put the animals there.
No, it's only for penguin. It's penguin pirate ship.
That's the animal pirates.
The hippo is too big.
The hippo was too big.